Hey, welcome back. So we're working on a late 21 model Ram 1500 or a 2022. So we're using keys like this. We need to use a star connector. So let's go ahead and open this. Highly recommend when you use the star connector, use your wedge tool and also your forceps to grab and hold. So we want to take off this. Some Dodge, you're gonna twist this knob and pull out like a medicine cap. This one, we just forcefully grab and gently pop out like so. And then when we look in there, we're gonna see the star connector. If you can bring that camera in. Cool, there's the star connector port. We wanna be careful with the wires. You don't wanna yank on them, but other than that, pretty easy. Let me get situated. So we're gonna put the star connector in there and kind of line it up and wedge it in, disconnect. And I'm going to kind of press plugged in and it's flush with other cords. Let's go ahead and continue with the SmartPro. And connect, off, and let's switch the hazards on, up top. Okay, we're connected. 2 keys. Let's go ahead and program prox keys. Okay, there's no other laptops and stuff. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to have the new one in my hand and see what it tells me to do. Okay, so I'm going to press this. It's flashing. Cool. And it's done. Cool. So let's check. And we're good to go. Let's go ahead and check it and cut it, and we're done. Thanks for watching.